You look so beautiful today. I just have to say that. Like, something about you, you're just glowing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at how I'm coping with the cold. By dressing like it's warm outside, y'all. Welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves with your host, me. This is where we spend 10 minutes of our day affirming each other with words of love and light, sharing our songs of the day, featuring some of the world's greatest music taste, aka mine, and me picking your brain. Duh. I ask you questions just to get you thinking, sometimes a little too deep, and sometimes just for fun. But anyways, let's dive into the video. How are you feeling? How's your day going? I'm a little cold, but I look cute though. Okay. So for my song of the day today, I hope you watch this video, friend, but my song of the day today is Royalty by Del Siobhan. Such an uplifting, powerful spirit with great music and a wonderful voice. Please go check her out, please. Like, you see the waistline? Hold on. Royalty. She ain't that like kings and queens. I don't know, we're always vibrating high on this side, and she stays vibrating on a higher level. Much love to Del Siobhan. I hope you're watching this, and if not, it's okay, because you're about to have a few more listeners, okay? But anyways, moving on to picking your brain for the day. We're keeping it light and fun and free, and we just flowing. But my question for you today is, what is your favorite hobby? And no, it cannot be a hobby that you monetize and that you make money off of. What is something that you do simply just for fun? It could be something silly, goofy, or something super serious. You could be a collector of some sort. I don't know, but I want to know. Tell me some more. Okay, so diving right into affirmations. Y'all, there was this comment I got the other day and it made me so happy. Oh my gosh, let me read it to you. Okay, listen. So ICLS780 said, I have to say this. I listen to affirmations almost every day, but this one, it made me smile and felt like I was doing it with a friend who feels me. I needed this for myself. Thank you and God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I hope you're watching this, because no, that really made me like cry. I felt like, I was like, God, you know what, I'm tired, I'm this, and I got that, and I was like, let me film this video. Let me film it now, because I don't know, y'all, I feel like I just be talking to myself, and I do that all the time, but talking to yourself on the internet is like a different kind of crazy. But I've been doing this for such a long time, so it's like I shouldn't be phased, you know what I'm saying? But I love y'all, and I don't really care who's watching. I know at the end of the day, I'm doing myself a great service, and I get to share it with you, and we get to be besties. So yeah, let's do this. Throat chakra affirmations. Let's do this. You know what time it is? Take 3 deep breaths and make that last deep breath be the deepest one that you've taken all day. And inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. And inhale. And exhale. Last one, make it deep. And inhale. And exhale. I'm gonna take one more because I need it. And inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. My honesty attracts what I deserve. Beautiful. I have a rich vocabulary and add to it daily. I know that's right. I express myself most clearly and honestly. I can flow with the conversation. I am friendly and easy to talk to. Come on, you better say it like you mean it. I am friendly and easy to talk to. Yes. I only take part in positive conversations. I don't know how I feel about that one. I only take part in constructive conversations. I like that better. My words illuminate my point of view. I express myself with ease. You said what? I express myself with ease. Come on, yes, just like that. As I gain knowledge, I apply it as wisdom. I clearly express myself. I not only have a loving voice, but a warm spirit to match. I can feel it. I can feel it. I got a tan from your spirit. My voice matters. My voice matters. I will continue to express myself because my voice matters. I deserve to be heard. I deserve to not only be heard, but seen for who I truly am. All right, player. I hear you. I see you. I see you. My ability to communicate draws others closer to me. People gravitate to me naturally because of the way I communicate. My throat chakra is balanced and even. I speak with confidence and calmness. I communicate in a way that is direct and elegant. I communicate in a way that is soft yet sharp. Anytime I speak up and ask for what I want, I receive it. Anytime I speak up for what I want, I receive it. You gotta say it like you mean it. Come on. I can make a difference in society and the world with the help of my communication skills. As I grow older, my communication gets better and better. It is okay for me to want more. And I am allowed to take up space. One more time. I said, one more time, you said, and I am allowed to take up space. If you're gonna walk in the room, you better own it. Matter of fact, let's say it. When I walk into the room, my presence is always known. The minute I step into the room, my presence is known. I am so attractive and radiant that things naturally gravitate to me. It is easy for me to obtain the things that I desire. All I have to do is simply ask. Because my words are that powerful and hold that much weight. We're gonna do that again. It is easy for me to obtain what I desire. Because my words are so powerful and hold weight. When I speak, I am firm and direct, yet maintain a level of flow and grace. I am allowed to speak up and will continue to do so so long as I live. Here in this moment right now, I love who I am. Louder. Here in this moment right now, I love who I am. No, I need a little bit louder. Here in this moment right now, I declare that I love who I am. You look so beautiful today. I just have to say that. Like, something about you, you're just glowing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Anyways, thank you for spending some time with me today. I know you didn't have to be here, but you came to the right place, as always. You know I'm here for you. Ooh, and I wanted to share, because y'all know I love to chat. So I wanted to share, me and my very close friend, we have these moments where we go back and forth and just visualizing and living in it already happened. And I want to share that with you, because that right there, in addition to what we're doing here, imagine how strong the manifestations are gonna get if you're constantly speaking as though it already happened. Whatever your desire already happened. And then on top of this, you're coming here every single day and you're pouring into yourself, your soul, your essence. Imagine how powerful you're gonna become. Just think about that. So I hope that you are able to do that with yourself or with a friend and just live in that moment. I heard that this happened. Shut up. Like, you were just complaining about it the other day, and look, I told you it'll be like that. It'll be stuff like that. Like, girl, how is that? I remember, yes. And it's so funny, but to see the smile and the energy that it invites is so powerful. It's like all your worries, they go away for a second, and you're talking with someone who you're comfortable with, so there's like a sense of home there and comfort. I invite you guys to do that and see how it feels. Let me know if you try it. If not, I'm still gonna be doing it. So I'll see you on the flip. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Kisses. Bye.